Hey there, welcome to Affirm Match channel. This meditation for autumn will help you embrace change. There's always a lot happening this time of year, and it often becomes a little overwhelming. So, like a tree shedding its leaves, this meditation will help you shed the weight of distractions, old habits, and ways of thinking that are no longer serving you. By the end of it, I'm sure that you'll feel lighter, freer, and ready to grow again. So let's go ahead and get started. You can do that by finding a comfortable position that you'd like to meditate in. And if you're starting this episode from bed, then you've probably heard me say before that I do recommend you at least sit up to meditate. But that's simply so you don't fall back asleep and show up late to work or school. The truth is, though, you can meditate in whatever position you find the most comfortable. Physically, allow yourself just to settle in and take a deep breath in. Fill all the way up through your chest and your belly, hold at the top, and then exhale, release. And go ahead and just gently close your eyes. As you continue just settling into a nice, comfortable, relaxed meditative state, remember that the mind follows the body. So if you relax your body, your mind will soon follow. And a few things that can help with this are just relaxing the muscles of the face. We hold so much tension there, and usually we don't even realize it. So just allow all of those muscles to soften. Drop your jaw and release your tongue from the roof of your mouth. And finally, allow your shoulders to soften down, and you can just follow that natural rise and fall of your own breath at whatever pace feels right to you. We just want that breath to feel nice and easy, effortless. And as you're relaxing deeper and deeper down, begin to visualize in your mind's eye. See yourself as a tree growing each year, reaching even farther, and then releasing dead weight by shedding your leaves each fall so that you can be refreshed and light and grow anew in the spring. See yourself there as this strong, powerful tree and imagine that it's autumn now. The air is getting a little bit cooler. The day is a little bit shorter. The leaves have lost their bright green color and exchanged that for reds, yellows, browns. This is the time of year to shed old things that no longer serve you, to let go of weight that you're carrying that you don't need anymore. For the tree version of you in this visualization, that's your leaves. They've helped you grow all year, but next spring, you'll grow new leaves, which will take you higher and farther. In your real life, this dead weight is your old habits, your old relationships, and ways of thinking that are no longer serving you. So visualize each leaf on the tree of you as one of these old things that you want to release. Some of this dead weight that you don't want to carry anymore, and let it go. First, let's take a moment to focus on the old habits that are no longer serving you and you'd like to let go of. Just allow your mind to go through those one by one now, each one a leaf on your tree, ready to be shed. And then you just let go of it and let the breeze carry it away, feeling yourself grow lighter with each one. Great! Now let's turn to the relationships that are no longer serving you, the ones you're ready to move on from. See each of those as a leaf on the tree of you, and once you've identified it, just let it go. Let the breeze carry it away. It's not your weight to carry anymore. All right. Fantastic. Now just take some time to let your mind wander through anything else that you feel like you're ready to let go of. Any other leaves on your tree that you'd like to shed, identifying them one by one and just letting them go. All right, let's do one last big release. So inhale with me, and as you exhale, just let go of it all. You don't need to be weighed down and held back by these old leaves anymore. So free yourself from them and feel that sense of lightness that comes with it. See the new opportunities that await you now that you've let go of unneeded distractions and burdens. And just take one more moment before we wrap up to enjoy this new feeling of freedom and lightness. All right, my friend, it's about time to wrap up our meditation now. So begin to bring yourself back. Notice whatever's supporting you, whether that's a chair, the floor, or something else. Feel the air on your skin and notice any sounds going on around you. Take one final deep breath in, the deepest one you've taken yet today. Hold at the top and then exhale, release. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and just take a second to come out of that. Well, my friend, I hope you enjoyed that meditation, and I really hope that it's left you feeling lighter, like there's less weight and pressure on you having let go of all of these old things that are no longer serving you. Now you're ready to grow again, and you have countless opportunities awaiting you. So leave these unneeded burdens in your past, look towards your future, and all of the beautiful new ways in which you'll grow. That's all for now. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, then please take a second just to leave a comment or review. I hope to see you back here soon on Affirm Match. And until then, go out and have an absolutely fantastic day.